Today we're going to be changing the oil on my 1990 Chevy G20 van. It's my first time doing this, so if I can do it, you can do it. You need something to catch the oil. Any deep pan will do, bucket will do. Wrench for the oil cap on this van. It is 9x16, but double check for your make and model of your car. Something to put on your hands so that they don't get too oily. Some like sort of towels to wipe up anything. Legally, you are required to wear overalls while doing work on a G20 van. I don't know about your particular make and model, but double check. Safety goggles, that's very important, so you look super cool. I'm sure that they look super cute with the bangs. I'm just going to trust that, not even double checking it. Before you get started, you're going to need to heat up the van. So you want to turn it on for 5 minutes, and that is to heat up the oil. So once you open that cap, it pours out easily and you don't have any leftover stuff, any chunks in there. Loosens it up. I'm going to heat this baby up and then I'll get under there. I am going to now go under the car. Let's go. Here we go. Ooh. And now, oh God. So that's the cap that you want to take off, right? See that screw right there? So you want to place the oil thing under there. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I'm realizing that it might have been a good idea to jack up the car. I see why people do that now. I'm holding this, I've got a towel on my hand here so that I don't touch part of the engine and burn myself. I am trying to crank this off. It's hard from this angle to get ya. I could just get leverage. Use your smart sander. Get the most leverage from this angle possible by putting it up higher. We can't. Okay, we'll leave it. So, the final step in this process is give up. Just stop trying. You can't do it. Okay? Just give up. I couldn't do it. I tore my overalls